To create a resume on Overleaf, you can start from scratch by entering a blank project, or you can use a template to make the process quicker and more efficient. Overleaf offers a variety of templates, which can be accessed by clicking on the Templates tab. Once you've clicked on this tab, you can find a selection of resume and CV templates, including some that have been handpicked by Overleaf staff for their high quality and positive feedback. You can browse through these templates and choose the one that suits you best after selecting a template. You can click on Open a Template to begin editing it. The template will open with a code editor on the left and a preview of the PDF on the right. You can edit the template to fit your needs, adding your own text and images as required. It's recommended to have some basic LaTeX knowledge to use Overleaf, but you can also work from a template and use the visual editor to make changes more easily. To make changes, simply edit the text and click Recompile to see the updated version. Once you've completed your resume, you can download it as a PDF. The process is relatively simple. Fill in your information, click Recompile, and you'll have a professional-looking resume in no time.